Hey guys, very excited, just turned up my Insta360 1x2 camera. It's a Steadicam 360 degree camera. Chose this one because I believe it's going to do what I want it to do. Now, straight here on the back, what's in the box comes with the camera, the protective pouch, the battery, a charging cable, a warranty card and a quick start guide. Now, it does come with, you can get a selfie stick for it that's invisible. That is still coming. I don't have that yet. It doesn't come in this box. You can buy a pack with it. This pack didn't come with it. It is 5.73K video 360 degree capable capture. It has Steadicam. It has flow state stabilization. That one's a tongue twister. Invisible selfie stick. That means when you put it on the selfie stick, it makes it invisible. I might do a video about that later on. It's waterproof up to 10 meters. AI editing. You can edit in an app with this one. Also on a editing software. It has 4 audio mics for 360 degree audio, so wherever you go it captures it. Ultra bright touchscreen, hyperlapse and voice control. Let's get into it and have a look. It's got nice plastic wrap there. Just using my screwdriver here to get this plastic coating off. And there's the box. Now inside it comes beautifully packaged. Now it's not a huge camera. It's got lens protectors over the 360 degree lenses there, and a screw mount for selfie stick or mounting it whatever you want. A lot of people will mount it on the narwhal mount up on your head to film. Now one of the reasons I chose this one over some of the others is it has a fairly good blending between the two cameras where they merge. So let's have a look here. That would be the charge cable, all nicely wrapped up. It is a USB to USB-C charge cable, which is kind of handy. We have in here, oh nice, that's a nice little pouch. It's like a neoprene, wetsuit type material in the pouch. So I can slide that inside it like that, and it protects the lenses, and then it just goes in my pocket, just like that. Don't even know I'm carrying it. May have to be careful I don't lose it out of my pocket, but the size is great on that. Now the battery, just there, pops out like that. It comes with a 1630 milliamp battery. So I'm going to look and see if I can get a second battery for that. I do like the way that works. That little clip lock there, that's very easy. Just pull that and out it pops. Now it doesn't come with a card. There's the little charge port there. And somewhere, maybe it's in with the battery compartment. There's a little SD card slot down in there next to the battery compartment. Excellent. Takes a micro SD card, which I will have to get a nice high speed card. So yeah, warranty card, waterproofing instructions. That's probably going to be a fairly handy one to read. And that's a little cleaning cloth for rubbing the lens. So excellent. And then you get some nice lovely Insta360 stickers. So just make sure there's nothing else. No, that's pretty solid in there. So there you have it. Insta360 1x2 unboxing. Great little camera. I'll see how it goes. Looking forward to being able to do some shots that I would not have been able to do. the selfie stick is invisible, so if I hold the stick here and the camera's up here, it can take the photo and then it edits itself. The selfie stick, it does it all itself. It's a pretty clever little camera. That's one of the reasons I got it. Does it have any charge? Ooh, battery's coming on. There we go. So it wants to connect to the app in Chinese and some other languages. And there we have it. The nice little round touch screen that you can pull around any... Oh, where is it? There I am. So you can see the top of the studio up there, the roof that I'm filming in. So you can see there that the... come back. There. So it's got the screen and my face is straight up here, straight up, no line cut through my face, very good blending. I'm pretty happy with that already so far. Great little thing that you can pull around in, and there it's already got the, so even here it's not seeing my hands. That's pretty clever. Rightio, when it's up close there is a bit of a stitching issue there, but you come back, move your hand down here, and your hand, I'll hold my hand up there. So up close there's a little bit of a stitching issue. The further back you lose that stitching issue. So far, looking at it, pretty happy with it. Gonna see what it's like filming. There you have it, guys. Insta1X2 360 degree camera unboxing. Get out there and have fun, guys.